2 to 3 days. Okay, that was Saturday. By Tuesday, I was like, you get my test results? No.
A company accused of administering fake COVID-19 tests had patients waiting weeks with no update on their results. As the demand for COVID testing continues, one local grocery store is warning of a possible fake pop-up test site. I'm John Holt.
I'm Lauren Halifax. Fox 4's Sharifa Jackson has more on this problem and what to look out for. She's working for you live from outside the health department tonight.
Yeah, this way the days are adding up, and some people, they're growing more and more frustrated. Hundreds of people are waiting for their results for their COVID-19 tests, and at this point, they don't feel like they'll ever get them, and the company that is responsible for administering these tests, well, they're nowhere to be found. In the middle of Kansas City's urban core, management at Happy Foods say they thought it would be a great idea to provide free COVID tests at the grocery store. When they were approached about the idea, they say it was a no-brainer. So for 4 days in the back corner, there was a tent, a table, and tests that were performed daily.
We just kind of assumed because, everybody's in the fight of COVID-19 that this was probably some kind of a government thing, government-backed project where they would go to different sites and offer this.
For the most part, the general manager, Kelly Day Lewis, says everything seemed legit. She says she was contacted by a man who told her he was the National Outreach Director for the National COVID Testing. Well, one quick Google search will show you that doesn't even exist. And the emails and calls from Fox 4 to get more information were never returned.
Just never got them.
Donna is one of the people. Promised her test would be returned within 48 to 72 hours. Like hundreds of others at the site, including employees, 3 weeks later, she's still waiting.
I missed a whole week of work, and it me off. I was really upset about it. I mean, who does that? What are you going to benefit?
The same question the GM at Happy Foods is also asking. The tests were free, so she's not sure how they were benefiting. But she says there were red flags, starting with unprofessional clinical workers and lack of verification forms from the company. On day 4, she had the workers leave and reported the pop-up testing site to the health department.
It was just a total waste of time and a total disappointment. Now I have to worry about where my mother's information and my children's information and my employees' information. Where is that? We don't even know who has that, why they have it, what they're doing with it.
As for people like Donna,
I thought it was legit. I wouldn't have never thought.
She says she'll be a little more careful about where she gets tested, and next time she'll definitely ask more questions. And we're waiting to hear back from the health department about the status on this possible investigation. But in the meantime, the AARP and also Federal Trade Commission put out a notice within the last week about fake COVID testing sites. And you can visit fox4kc.com to find out how you can spot them. They say that these testing sites are popping up in states all across the country. Lauren?